Sometimes you want to retouch image just a little bit. For example, right here, if I want to apply any color correction, I will recommend to use curves. It's much easier and nicer way to control it tone of all image. So to do this, we'll just go click on adjustment layers and we'll go select the curves. One thing I do recommend for you to use it is a color. So in this case, we won't affect any luminosity or brightness. We'll just work with the colors only. So I'll select the color, and from our properties, we'll go to select, for example, blue, and I'm going to set a scenic curve. It's what I call it theme, but you can use it different. So you can see right here, bottom, it's our lower tone, and this is our hard tone. So if I want the highlights, take very blue, I can move right here, and you can see on highlights we have it blue. Again, this is middle points is 50% gray. If we want to fix, we can just click add point and kind of work against this point if we need it. For now, let's do this way. Take shadows, and you can see shadows blue will bring a little bit up, and we'll take this middle point, bring slightly down. So overall we have it, and again blue and going green, so we have it kind of bluish going on our back, and yellowish worms are right here in the middle. It's giving us this kind of nice contrast. We'll go switch to different channel, have it red channel, and on red channel, just example, see if we take our shadows, the shadows will get redder, or we're going to leave it opposite in cyan color a little bit, add shadows bluish cyan. But I want to restore some of those reds, so same, I'm just clicking right here, not on the middle, but maybe like 1/4, and bring slightly back. But you notice, because it's curves, if I bring this all the way, we have now too much red going here, so we'll bring a little bit down, maybe create another point and flatten this line. So right here you can see before and slightly out. Again, it is just a coloring tone we apply to this, and it's work very well if you combine with luminosity.